Hi guys, today I want to talk about this stock with the ticker symbol ZDGE and why I think it's about to triple very soon. So let's look at the profile of this company. It is actually a technological service company. They are in the industry of package software with about 37 employees. If you look at into their valuation, they are just shy of 100 million, which is currently at about 70 million market cap, which is not good for, which is like really good for a company with 37 employees. Looking at the balance sheet, this is a pretty good looking balance sheet. If you look into the debt to equity ratio is very low. This is a good thing. And operating metrics, they got like a revenue of this much with a return on investment which is quite high, and a return on equity which is like really good. And then taking a look into the price history, you see this company just went in from about 0.66 cents to about $6 per share. This like it's a good characteristic for a high growth stock, guys. Like this is a really good stock to have if you're looking for candidates that like will triple, quadruple, and go up beyond and above that. Like you are looking for companies that already shown that they can actually do what you want them to do, and this is like a really good candidate for that. You can see it in your price. In this price, their 52-week low was just like way below what their current price is, or what their highest price is for the same 52-week high. What that means is like it tells you all of these like massive movement just happened within 1 year. This is what you're looking for when you're looking for a company that is about to triple their dividends. They don't pay any dividends yet. You will expect that for a startup. They got pretty good margins, gross margin, net margin, operating margin. All these things like looks really good for the company. Let's look at something. Net income, it's in the negative. They are not profitable yet. It's not bad for a startup to be not profitable. We expect a startup not to turn a profit but to grow really quickly, so that they reach the point where they actually creating a revenue. They got free cash flow of about 2 million, total revenue, or they are making a revenue of about 9 million or so. But the thing is, they are not profitable yet, because they are actually using that revenue that they're making to actually grow the company. So if they are using whatever that they are making to grow this company, it makes it a good candidate stock to triple and go beyond like a triple within like the next couple of like months or so, like, or even if it triples in the next like short coming years, still it will be good. Well, right now we are at like about $5.66 per share. What you're looking at like is this thing just to grow and be about like trade at about like maybe $20 a share, and you would have easily made it triple your money within just or like these stocks. And guys, this is not like any financial advice. These are like one of the stocks that I have in my portfolio that I'm looking at, like, and I would like to share the information of what I am seeing with you. Thank you so much. If you like this type of content, please hit the like button and do subscribe for more. Peace.